Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's have a look what's going on in euro currency again. So the event of the week has passed. So we've got the CPI numbers and the Fed statement. It was relatively diverse because market treats the recent statement as Fed kinda promised to or suggests only one rate change in this year. So from that standpoint of view, you can see the reaction in the markets. And actually on the current background that we've got recently with the rising of the inflation previous month, very strong employment and job market, at least by official data. Of course, most expectations were a bit more hawkish, but recent statement market treats as more diverse than expected, and you can see reaction in the market. So we will take a detailed look as usual on these two moments in our weekly report, because I'm sure that there are a lot of interesting stuff. Just we need to read the statements in detail and then see what really Jerome Powell would like to say. So meantime, here we see that our trading plan is working. So you could see that data has led market to show the bounce that we have discussed. So this is the first step in our plan. It is completed, but now it's more important that we need to get the confirmation. Despite that, we've got really great upward action, and now positions that we have taken around this area now are protected, so you could move stops to the break-even. At the same time, you could see that daily trend still remains bearish. Usually, if our suggestion is correct, I mean the trading plan based on this pattern and a weekly bullish trend, market should keep this tendency and turn the trend here on the daily chart into bullish. This will be the second confirmation of the context. This, as markets usually works when everything goes well. If this will not happen, and after this initial bounce market start falling back down, this will be bad sign. So that's actually what we need to keep an eye on for trading on a daily and weekly time frame. At the same time, if we take a look at the weekly chart of the euro currency, you could see that now potential bullish grabber on the weekly chart feels much better than it was 2 days ago, when the price actually was standing right at these lows. This recent upward bounce, and there are only 2 sessions until the close of the week, chances to get the grabber seems not really bad. Besides, you can see in a contradiction between the bond market and the dollar index, you can see that bonds take the lead. So yields keep going lower, and dollar index has stopped the upward action, so mostly stands in some flat area and has dropped slightly yesterday. So it means that the bond market now is leading and is turning, as we call it, a bit wrong direction on the dollar index. So all this stuff just tells us that actually setup that we are considering and we're moving with still working, and currently I do not see any reasons to change the mind and actually cancel this potential setup that we have. Now it's look absolutely normal. Second point that I would like to talk about today is for those who would like to take the long position but by some reasons have missed opportunity to take position in this area. Either you were waiting for clarity, you're a bit conservative, or just missed trading and take the position, it's no problem. So currently we have the second chance, because here the upward action has started. You could just keep an eye on hourly chart with this downside retracement, and you could use this pullback to consider taking the position. So very probable that here we could get a bit deeper retracement, since after this big sell-off is first upward action, maybe market will reach its favorite 50% level around 107.80, somewhere in this level you could wait for, but it's really very small difference. It's around 15-20 pips, so it's up to you whether you would like to wait it or not. But if you would like to take the long position with all the stuff that we have just discussed, here's might be the second opportunity when this tactical pullback on the hourly chart for taking this position. That's actually what we have currently on the market. Let's see what the progress will be with our hand shoulders pattern, because now it's actually is a cornerstone of our trading plan for a few weeks, and depending what market will show around it, it's mostly will determine the next direction and in what direction we will trade. Everything will be great with the hand shoulders. That's okay. We're going higher with this big A, B, C bottom D pattern. Market fails, dropping below 107 area. We're taking the short position downward continuation, because grabber will fail on the weekly chart, trend will turn bearish, and on the daily we will get the collapse of the big bullish pattern, which is also will be bearish. So you can see this is actually currently the decisive moment, and in a few sessions, maybe not this week, but in the beginning next week, we probably should get the final clarity about the further direction here.